Alright, we're here. Vending machine?
Well, this is pretty good. I wonder what my name is.
Here, I'll put you down. Okay, I know your name. Boxo? Congratulations. Wow, I believe that's Boxo.
Yep, that's my name. Hello there.
Oh, hi boys. Come and meet our Boxo at the vending machine.
Oh, is that the vending machine? That's pretty good. But how is it gonna talk? Hey, could you make me a supply cookies, please?
Congratulations.
Whoa, okay. Thank you for the meal. The beer, too. I love the supply cookies, too.
I'm glad you thought of it.
That was really good. I like it.
Okay, Boxo, I just wanted you to know that you need to stay put while I'm helping and reunite my mother, okay?
Okay.
Good.
I don't know why I talk too much, but it looks really good on me.
I heard you say congratulations, so you said congratulations, don't you? Congratulations! Good for you.
So I talk back to her, so I said congratulations the most time.
You stay put.
Crap, this day is boring.